Guys, we're going to the beach today. I'm walking to Bowzer's, and Lizard's gonna be there. Zelda right here, she's gonna be there. I think that's it. Just Bowzer, Zelda, and me, even Lizard. So, I'm gonna change Zelda bigger, so to be like Bowzer, because Bowser's bigger than Zelda, so real good. Link, do you want to come?
Yeah, change me too.
Okay, I'll go.
3, 2, 1. Poof. Oh, thanks. Yeah, thanks. We feel much better now.
You're welcome.
So, shall we go to the beach?
Not yet. We have to go.
Righteous.
We have to go pick up Bowzer and Lizard. Let's go do that.
Okay, let's go.
Action.
Okay. Bowzer, we're gonna go to the beach today. It's so exciting.
Yeah, I can't wait. I love the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, are we there yet? Oh, yeah, we are. Hey, who's the princess? Hubba hubba. Hi, I'm Bowzer. I'm pretty much the most awesome guy ever. And, you should probably be my girlfriend, you know? If I could talk, I would say something about that. So, anyway, we should all go to the beach, yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, what? Who invited you?
I don't know.
Aren't-
Can I go?
Don't you hate sand? No, it's okay. You can go. Everybody's live, right, mommy?
Yeah.
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 All right, so let's go to the beach. 3,
Okay.
2, 1. All right, here we are at the beach. Now what do? I think we're supposed to relax. Oh yeah. We'll relax. We'll just have a good time.
Guys.
Who is that?
Guys, what is that brainwall sound?
I don't know, but we better find out. Looks an awful lot like my kid. But it sounds... I don't know what it sounds like. Oh, I do.
Don't worry.
What the heck did he just do?
Well, you see, Link doesn't talk very much, so but what he was trying to show you in charades is that sound and thing over there is a Goron.
A what?
A Goron. Goron. It's great. They're all over where I live.
Remind me never to visit you at home. Alright. Well, what are we going to do about this Goron? Let's keep an eye on it for a while.
Bowzer, you are a Goron captain. Even I'm a Goron captain too.
What? You are crazy. I am Bowzer, King of the Mushroom Kingdom.
You are a Goron.
Look, you. I don't know why you want to keep saying that I'm a Goron, but you're so wrong about it that I might have to punch you in the face.
Yes, I am. I am right.
Who flies on a plate?
Yes, I do. You are a Goron. Look at yourself.
Well, I don't exactly have a mirror,
You have these rings.
but I better look awesome.
You have these rings. You have hair, kind of like me, and you have spikes, like kind of like Gorons do, and you have you're green. So that's how you're Goron. One's green. They have hair. They have those rings, and they have spikes in the back.
Alright, well, I guess I'll go for it. Sure, I'm a Goron. What do Gorons do?
They usually just do brain wall.
Brain wall. Oh,
Just-
wow. Brain wall. Oh, ow, ow.
Go ball.
Brain wall. I can't swim. Help. Oh, you saved me. Thank you. I hate the ocean. Hey guys, what you doing over there?
We're building a sandcastle.
Looks pretty nice. Can you make it any bigger?
Maybe.
Dun, 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 dun. Wow, that is a pretty cool sandcastle. Let's get a flyover to take a look. Hey Zelda, great job on the sandcastle. Oh yeah, thanks. I have a thing for castles. Hee hee. What the? Gorons.
Yeah, we're all ready to watch the castle contest.
Yeah, I bet it'll be awesome. I hope your
Yeah.
sandcastle wins, Zelda, because it was so cool. Let's watch him. Action.
Dun 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 dun. I'm gonna knock down that sandcastle so we can win that. So I can win. I'm a cheater, cheater, cheater. I'm one of the bad guys, and I'm gonna, like what Zant said, I'm gonna try and defeat the sandcastle over there, so I can win.
Good theme music.
Thank you. You know I'm a goblin. I'm a little dark knight. I'm a dark knight. Hi, I'm a dark knight. I'm a dark knight.
Action. Well, what are you gonna do to it?
Yeah.
Oh boy, what a job you did. Now you just have to build a little sandcastle and you'll win because there's no one else in the competition.
Okay, I'll do it. I'm gonna build this lantern and this blanket over top and here and this pillow. We use this and it's gonna be top here and top right here. Okay, ready.
The sandcastle competition judging is about to begin. Everyone get near your sandcastles.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna tell you, my sandcastle's pretty good. Right, George? I don't know if yet. I'll go look at it. Let's go look at it, okay, guys? Let's go.
Okay. We're on. Hey, there's something weird going on here. Go ahead, Judge, take a look.
That is like the best castle I've ever seen. I think whoever made this probably is going to be the winner. Probably. Okay, that's my castle, Judge. It's cool, right? Yeah, it's awesome.
All right, let's see the other competitions. Sandcastles. Peach, didn't you have no one?
Yeah.
Show us where it is.
It's supposed to be right over there. Right?
It's gone?
Right here.
I don't see a sandcastle here at all.
That.
That is not yours. That is Darth Bunny's
I know.
sandcastle.
There was one there.
Are you some kind of cheater or something?
No. There was a sandcastle there. No, I made it, but I think it got knocked down. Somehow, someone was cheating, trying to knock mine down so they can win.
Well, I don't think we can judge you on a sandcastle that doesn't exist.
What?
So, unfortunately, I think you lose, and we have to declare
What?
Darth Bunny's the winner!
Darth Bunny's the one who knocked down my castle!
You don't have any evidence or proof. Please stop.
Wait. Let me knock down his first.
What the?
Hey, stop it! Ah!
No! Mine. Okay. Now.
Ah!
Okay, this was part of it. This was another, and this was the top, right here. And also, there's one more. It was this. That's my sandcastle. That was it. But somebody knocked it down.
Well, you built it again. That looks really nice. And Darth Bunny is disqualified because I think you killed him, unfortunately. So you are a bit of a cheater, but you still win.
Yay!
Yay!
See, I told you we'd have a great day at the beach.